What's up, beauty babes? Today, we're diving into the roller coaster ride that is Kylie Jenner's empire. From lip kits to lawsuits, we're covering it all in just 6 minutes. Let's go! Picture this. It's 2015, Tumblr is the place to be, and a young Kylie Jenner is about to change the game. While big sis Kim was breaking the internet, Kylie was quietly becoming the ultimate influencer. Hair, fashion, makeup. Kylie was setting trends left and right. The Kardashian-Jenner clan was like the Spice Girls of reality TV, and Kylie, she was quickly becoming the fan favorite. Now let's talk about those lips. In 2015, Kylie's pout became an internet sensation. Remember the Kylie Jenner lip challenge? Yeah, that happened. But Kylie saw an opportunity. With just $250,000 from her modeling gigs, she launched the Kylie Lip Kit. Spoiler alert, it sold out in seconds. By 2016, Kylie Cosmetics was a full makeup line, raking in over $300 million in revenue. Let that sink in for a second. Fast forward to 2018, and Forbes is calling Kylie a billionaire. But hold that thought. We'll circle back to this. In 2019, Kylie sells 51% of her company to Coty for a whopping $600 million. Sounds like a win, right? Well, plot twist. Forbes does some digging and drops a bombshell. Those sales numbers, not quite adding up. They even suggested there might have been some creative accounting going on. Kylie Cosmetics' actual sales were far lower than what was reported. We're talking a difference of hundreds of millions of dollars. So, what went wrong? For starters, trends changed. Heavy makeup was out, natural looks were in. And Kylie? She kind of missed the boat on that one. Add to that some less than stellar reviews and a lack of innovation, and Kylie Cosmetics started to look more like your average celebrity cash grab than a beauty empire. But Kylie isn't one to give up easily. She launched Kylie Skin, then Kylie Baby, and who could forget Kylie Swim? Spoiler, everyone tried to forget Kylie Swim. After a wave of bad reviews, the Kylie Swim Instagram went dark. Yikes. But wait, there's more. In 2023, Kylie launched Kai, her clothing line. And guess what? It actually did pretty well, raking in $1 million in the first hour. Not content with conquering just fashion and beauty, in 2024, Kylie entered the alcohol market with Sprinter, her line of canned cocktails. So, what's the deal with Kylie's business moves? On one hand, she's diversifying, trying to catch lightning in a bottle again. On the other, it seems like she's throwing everything at the wall to see what sticks. As of 2024, Kylie still has clout, but it's not what it used to be. The days of King Kylie seem to be in the rearview mirror. So, what can we learn from Kylie's journey? Capitalize on trends, but don't rely on them. Innovation is key in the fast-paced beauty industry. Transparency matters. Your audience will find out the truth eventually.